I am here to share a new project we've been working on for 1 year. Tizor is a small, compact and thin utility and box cutter knife. Each Tizor knife is hand-finished in Italy through a collaborative effort between our two companies, IROC, IBRAV. The dimension are 160 mm full length and 8 mm thickness of the total knife. Weight-wise is 69 grams, very low than other competitor branded small knife. It's manually open blade because we think is more safer than automated, and you can carry every day with no problem, also in Europe, because in Europe is prohibited automated knives.